After a rainstorm, residents found jelly-like blobs covering the town. In 1994, Oakville experienced an ordinary rainstorm. The next morning, the streets were covered in clear, gelatinous blobs. They were everywhere: yards, cars, rooftops. Soon after, residents began getting sick. Symptoms included dizziness, nausea, and fatigue. Samples were collected and examined under microscopes. Scientists found white blood cells, but no clear organism. Some suggested jellyfish fragments blown inland. Others blamed military testing nearby. No official conclusion was ever reached. The blobs eventually disappeared. The illness reports slowly stopped. No one ever explained what fell from the sky